The men's health is a key to the self-confidence, gives a feeling of fullness of life, contributes to the mental health, improves reproductive performance, and guarantees a strong family relationship. Prostatitis is one of the most common diseases of the male genital area. Let's talk about health. The men's health. Many physicians have regarded the prostate as a second heart in men. The prostate is responsible for reproductive function. Disturbed reproductive function can lead to impotence, decreased libido, or infertility. Prostate gland diseases include chronic or acute prostatitis, prostate adenoma, and prostate cancer. The prevention is absolutely essential. It's essential to take vitamin and mineral complexes. The vitamin and mineral complex M Formula Active, manufactured by Artlife Company, contains all of the essential, effective, and easily digestible components which help keep men healthy. The Neo M Formula Active complex supports men's reproductive functions, protects prostate tissues from changes, can be used in comprehensive therapy for prostatitis and prostate adenoma, and eliminate discomfort. M Formula Active Complex contains 8 the most studied and effective components: powerful antioxidants, androgens responsible for hormone balance, substances that increase urodynamics and relieve spasms and puffiness, anti-tumor components, and the substances that increase sexual activities and improve reproductive function. M Formula Active Complex helps relieve symptoms that arise in case of prostate gland disorders, pain, frequent urination, and sleep problems. The production of biologically active complexes in the Artlife Company is certified in accordance with the requirements of ISO and GMP. The effectiveness of Artlife complexes has been clinically proven and appreciated by our clients.